Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. In today's video we're going to look at the part 3 of the series on Revit, which concerns designing a metal kitchen from scratch. If you haven't seen the previous two parts, you can watch them on the channel to better understand the project and see how we designed the kitchen island and fixable kitchen unit. Here we see the final form that our kitchen will take, a fantastic and super model kitchen that we designed together step by step from the beginning. In this video, we will focus on the final form that our kitchen will take. We will configure its materials and kitchen fixtures, and we will also see how it looks in Enscape so that we have a complete and clear picture of what we designed. The first step, as you can see, is to open a new family where we will import the two families we designed in parts 1 and 2 of the series. Firstly, we will define our units. There will be meters, as always, and we will create the distance between the two objects. These are dimensions that are considered suitable for the harmonious coexistence of a kitchen island and a fixed wall kitchen. We would say that this is a minimum of 80 centimeters. In our case, it will be 1 meter. Firstly, as we're doing at this moment, we will import the two parts that we created to the previous two videos, the kitchen island and the fixed wall kitchen unit. As you can see, we will create our voids to the kitchen island. And then, after defining its place, we will import the part 2, the fixed wall kitchen. Again, we will define and create its voids, and also we will place it to the correct position. Now we are ready to continue with our kitchen fixtures. The sink tap, the induction hob, and oven that also function as a microwave. We will start with the sink tap. We will go to load family, then a component, and we have our sink tap. We will change its height and its position, of course, in the middle of our sink. Okay, perfect. And then it's the turn of the induction hob. We follow the same procedure as before. Load family, insert it, and component. Please note that you can ask us in the comments to send you both the RFA and the materials we use. We will adjust its position. Again, we want to be at 92 centimeters. And then we move on to the oven and microwave, which will be placed in the fixed wall kitchen unit. We will follow again the same procedure. We will create a model line to be better to define its position. It will be in the same height with the countertop of the kitchen island and, of course, the countertop of the fixed wall kitchen. We will change also a little bit our void. And now it's perfect. Now it's time to look at the materials that we will use. We have three specific materials: inox, brass stainless steel, and ammonia wood. We will start with the stainless steel. As you can see, we found it in Revit materials. Essentially, our island will be made of brass stainless steel, except for the countertop and sink, which are inox material. Okay, at this moment, we're adding the brass material in our kitchen island, in our frame. Next, we will use inox for the countertop. We will duplicate an existing material and we will add from our library an inox image. We will change, as you can see, a little bit the dimensions of the image. We will make it 3 meters to be more compatible with our kitchen island. Next, we will use also the inox for the countertop of the fixed wall kitchen unit and specifically for the entire space inside the pocket doors. Already our project is starting to look more realistic, and later on we can see exactly how it will look alike. We will add, as we said, inox to our drawers, to our shelf, for the top of our space inside the pocket door, and the rest of the fixed wall kitchen unit is made of ammonia wood. So now we have to import the material, and I will show you how I process my material to make it look realistic. For the image we will add this one, the color. For glossiness we will add also an image, uh, the wood roughness. We will change again its dimensions. It will be 1 meter. And also we will add some bump and we will leave it to 300. We will rotate it also to look vertical. And we will follow the same procedure to our three images for the ammonia wood material. Again 90. Here we will change the position and the scale from 3 meters to 1 meter, because in 3 meters it will look huge. This is the image that we want to create, the ammoniac wood. We will add also the material to the other parts of the fixed wall kitchen unit, the side frame, also the back. We have to add also here the inox material. Have in mind that usually the fixed wall kitchen will be closed and the pocket door will be closed as I said. So from distance and in general we will watch only an ammoniac wood. Great. It's time to see our metal kitchen as a whole. It really looks amazing. Our kitchen has been completed and as you can see it looks truly fantastic. I hope that by following our step-by-step methodology you too have achieved this wonderful result. The final step is to create a floor to cast shadows on our object and develop it further. It's the only reason that we're doing it. We want to play a little bit with the shadows to see the geometry of our modern kitchen. The next step, after changing a little bit the floor, maybe it's too big, we can make it 5 centimeters. The next step is to open the Enscape plugin. We're using Enscape for our 3Ds to have a better result for our project. It's pretty easy to use the Enscape plugin, and the results, as you can see, are really impressive. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe to our channel as it helps us really to grow. And this is the end of the first series. Stay tuned, guys, as there are many more custom kitchens to follow. Thank you for watching and for your time. I hope you will build our modern kitchen and use it, of course, into your projects. Write to us in the comments below if you want us to send you the content. And of course, if you want to see something specific from us, maybe another type of kitchen. That's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.